top there's a very strange noise here. I don't know what it is. I don't know what creatures are around in February. If I'll hold this close, maybe somebody will be able to tell me what this noise is. You can hear that or not? It's like a regular faint rattling sound. But I heard it from the path. I think this is a couple of metres off the path, so I don't know what it is. It's in here somewhere. You can hear it. No idea what it is. I'm not going to go rummaging. Disturbing some poor creature, whatever it is. Interesting. Answers on a postcard, please.